Namaste students, I welcome you to my class. In today's session, we are going to deal with the second chapter of Footprints Without Fate, class 10. The name of the chapter is The Thief's Story, written by Ruskin Bond. Students, before I start, first, I would like to tell you about the Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is a famous Indian writer in English. He was born on 19 May 1934. Students, in this chapter, the thief's story deals with basic human values and relationships. This story is about a 15-year-old boy, Hari Singh, whose life changes when he meets Anil. Anil, a 25 years old writer. Anil's unspoken words and kind gestures leaves a very positive impact on Hari Singh. Yes, students, now I am going to tell you the introduction of the chapter. Ruskin Bond, as I already told you, that is a famous Indian writer. The Thief's Story is one of his well-known stories. In this story, the writer shows how the reformation of a criminal is best achieved through love and understanding rather than punishment. Here, students, Hari Singh, that is an imaginary name, is a thief, is the narrator of the story. He comes into contact with Anil. Anil gives him work in his house. One day, Hari Singh steals Anil's money and runs away. But the kindness and love of Anil make him come back and return the money. Here, students, when we read this, we will find out there are two important characters in this story. The first important character is Hari Singh, a small-time thief. Student, this is not the real name, this is an imaginary name. He kept on changing his name every month to protect himself from the police. His real name is not Hari Singh, he was only 15 years old. Student, he is narrating the story. And the second important character is Anil. He is a kind, single, easy-going young man. Now, students, I am going to read the main points of the story. The narrator was a thief. He was only 50 and he was experienced and successful in his work. As I earlier told you that he changed his name. Every month he changed his name to escape from the police. Luck was against him and he thought of targeting Anil. Hari Singh wanted to work for Anil and contact Anil. Anil had no money. Anil had no regular income. He used to write for magazines. Anil asked him if he could cook food. Hari Singh lied and said that yes, I can cook food. But he did not know how to cook the food. The food he cooked, that food was even not liked by the dogs. So here Anil softened and told him that he would teach Hari how to cook the food, and also taught Hari Singh to write his name and to write whole sentences. It was quite pleasant for Hari Singh narrator to work for Anil, and he made a rupee a day from buying the day's supplies. Anil also knew this, that one evening Anil come home with a small bundle of notes. He earned the money. Hari Singh saw him that he tucked the money under the mattress. Hari Singh took the money without noticing Anil as he was sleeping there. He counted the money. The money was 600 rupees in 50s. He went to the railway station to catch the Lucknow Express. Here, student, only one hint is given to us. That hint shows that he belongs to Lucknow. That is the reason that he wanted to catch the Lucknow Express. But he hesitated and remained standing at the platform. His heart not allowed him to catch the train. He thought of the Anil, of his friend, that he behaved very kindly to him. He had no friends to go. He only knew one, that is Anil. It was a chilly night and a light drizzle also. To add it to this problem, and he had no other friends. He only knew one man, that is Anil. So he decided to go back to the Anil's house because Anil treated him very kindly. He also taught him the studies, how to write down the names, about the numbers. So he decided go back to the room and he put the notes under the mattress without informing Anil. Next morning, Anil told that he would pay Hari Singh regularly. Now students, after reading this chapter, what we learn from this chapter, that is important in our life also. Once the trust of a person is lost, students listen carefully, once the trust of a person is lost, everything is lost. Kindness touches hearts and brings about a change even in the worst person. So students, the trust of a person is important. That must not be lost. And what is the moral of this story? The moral of this story, by Ruskin Bond named The Thief Story, is human values and relations are important in life, and it can change a person. That is the moral of this story. Now the explanation that I am going to tell you, that is already we have read in this chapter, that is Hari Singh, imaginary character. The narrator of this story is a character who is a thief. Although he robbed Anil, but could not run away with his money, as Anil behaved very well to him, very kindly to him. So that is the reason that he could not run away from that position. Yes. So in a short, we can say that once the trust of a person is lost, everything is lost. Thank you very much.